So I'm gonna leave it on for like 10 seconds and then like clean it off with a cloth. Cleaning this for the double-sided tape. I'm gonna put it on this side. I'm gonna put double-sided tape on this too, because this is going to go on top of this like so, and I would just want to stick better to this plate. So this is how I put my tape. I've put it on the top here, but because there are some ridges over here, I chose not to put it here because I feel like it's not going to stick as well because the tape doesn't have any surface to adhere to. And these are the corners. I'm going to put some more tape here for my satisfaction. I feel like it's going to hold better. Then push it in, because if you don't, then this panel doesn't really stay. Yeah, that's how you do it. So I've moved my wheel to the left, and you have to screw this in. Just like that. So these are the connector pieces that go with the black one. I'm just going to screw them in. I'm not going to go too tight. Don't want them to fall off. That's about it. It's good enough for me. Let's do the first one. Okay, I'm gonna actually start from middle two. Okay, so one. Okay. It's screwing it in, and you can see it's going like this. So, okay, perfect. Yep. You don't want those gaps. So the last thing this goes like at the bottom like this. So we've taken it off. Now we're gonna put it on these bits. So I don't know if you guys can see or not. I'm gonna put black ones because I feel like they're longer, so it's just gonna go through